Namaste children. In previous class, I have discussed about optical media, that is transparent media, translucent media and opaque media, isn't it? Then I told the property of light rays. What is the property of light ray? Light rays always travel in a straight line. This property is called rectilinear propagation of light. Light rays always travel in a straight line. This property is called rectilinear propagation of light. Now, in today's class, I am going to explain about the pinhole camera and reflection. Pinhole camera is working under the principle of light rays travel in a straight line. See, this is pinhole camera. In pinhole camera, there are some differences between the ordinary camera and a pinhole camera. In a simple camera without lens, pinhole camera is a simple camera without lens. When the light rays falls through the hole, we can see the inverted image on the screen. See the picture. Here, the image of the burning candle will be falls on the screen. So we can see the inverted image on the screen. Clear? See, this is pinhole camera. Now I will explain how to make a pinhole camera. Take two boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into another with no gap in between. Cut open one side of each box. Make a small hole in the middle. See, these are all two boxes. So you cut one side, make a small hole at the center of the small box. In the smaller box, cut out from the middle a square with a side of 5 to 6 centimeter in such a way that the side with the tracing paper is inside. Here paste one tracing paper. Now your pinhole camera is ready. Holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller box. You should use a piece of black cloth to cover your head and the pinhole camera. Now try to look at some distance object like tree or a building through the pinhole camera. Make sure that the object you wish to look at through your pinhole camera are bright in sunshine. Move the smaller box forward and backward till you are getting clear image on the screen. So now you can get the clear inverted image on the screen. Like this, pinhole camera is working. So the pinhole camera is a simplest kind of camera. It has no lens. It does not have any lens. It just makes use of a tiny opening to focus all light rays within the smallest possible area. The simple image formed using a pinhole camera is always inverted. Clear, children? Then there are some differences between a shadow and a pinhole camera image. In previous class, I explained about the shadow, isn't it? So, there are some differences between these two, that is shadow and a pinhole camera image. First one, a shadow is in generally black in color, isn't it? So, it does not give the details of the object. But in pinhole camera image, the image formed by the pinhole camera is colorful and contains all the details of the object. Second point, a shadow can be bigger than the object, whereas image formed by the pinhole camera is always smaller than the object. Then third one, the shape of the shadow varies depending on the orientation of the object between the light and the screen, while the pinhole camera image is always inverted and has the same shape as the object. Clear, children? So these are all the differences between the shadow and the pinhole camera image. Clear? The next one, reflection. See, daily you are looking at your face in the mirror. What is the reason? Because of reflection only you can see your face in the mirror. What is reflection? When the light bounces off an object back after hitting a smooth surface is called reflection. When the light bounces off an object back after hitting a smooth surface is called reflection. There are some conditions for reflection. The reflecting surface always smooth and polished. The reflecting surface always smooth and polished. For example, can you give the example for polished or smooth surface? Glass, water. Clear? When the reflecting surface is smooth or polished, the regular reflection will take. There are two types of reflection, regular reflection and irregular reflection. Regular reflection means when the reflecting surface is smooth or polished, the reflected light rays will send back into the same medium in regular way. Irregular reflection means when the reflecting surface is rough surface, then irregular reflection will take. There the reflected light rays will be scattered. Clear, children? See, look at the picture here. This is incident ray. When the light rays falls on the reflecting surface, then it will be sent back to the same medium. This is called reflected ray. Here this is incident ray and this is reflected ray and this is reflecting surface. And the ray separating the incident ray and reflected ray is called normal ray. This is normal ray. The angle between the incident ray and normal ray is called angle of incidence. The angle between the normal ray and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. So, we can derive the laws of reflection. The first law, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second law, incident ray, reflected ray and normal all should lie in the same plane. So, laws of reflection. First law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all should lie at the same plane. Here for refraction, they gave one activity. Take a comb and pass the light through the comb In the opposite side, you keep one screen, or that is mirror. Keep one mirror in the opposite side. Now, when you are passing the light through the comb, what will happen? All the light rays can be reach the mirror, and the reflected light rays will be sent to the same medium. So, this is the activity for reflection. All of you try it at home, children. Any doubt here? So, laws of reflection means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Second one, incident ray, reflected ray and normal all should lie in the same plane. Clear, children? We will meet in the next class. Thank you.